Alright, what is going on, everybody? It's been a while since I posted a video, but today me and Mekhi are gonna go down and fish this little creek spot, and hopefully we can catch some fish. Got one.
Let's go.
Yep. Oh, oh, no, Rick, come here. Wow, gorgeous little cutthroat. Go. Did he get off? Dang. Oh, I got one too. Double up. Here. We just doubled up on. Oh, oh. Holy crap. Here, pull my hook out of the net. What a pretty fish. Here he goes. See you, little dude. All right, just doubled up on brook trout. What?
Some bigger ones.
Yeah. And I thought that rock was just slippery because of water, but it's ice. And now I'm all tangled. Got one. I know, and he got off. All right, let's go, buddy. Oh, oh, oh. He's way pretty. There he goes. Come here, buddy. Woohoo! You ever seen a flying cutthroat trout? Cutthroat. Pretty little one. Little cutthroat. In the net. Dang, that guy's pretty. Dude, they had to have just spawned. There you go, Rick. If this guy... Is that why?
Yeah, bro. The last two fish I've had, I just reeled in and I've had them on.
Look, Mekhi finally caught one.
Hey, this is my second one.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Good plunk. Oh, oh, I got one.
You got a double, bro.
Come here, little fella. There you go, bud. I think it's funny because this is all on a barbless.
Really? Wow, this thing on there is low.
Hello, little fella. Ah! Come back.
I'm gonna say bye so soon, bro. Yo,
Mine's bigger.
no, it's not!
Ow!
Stop, please, stop, stop, stop! Bro.
He has big teeth. A snag, and then I got it out of the snag, and there was already a fish on there. I think
This is such a good fishing spot.
I know, dude. There you go, Rick. Woo! All right, that was an awesome day of fishing. Caught a bunch of fish. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.